Coral reef protection calls for worldwide effort. Often called the rainforest of the ocean, coral reefs are home to 1/4 of all ocean life. They are one of the first to be affected by global warming, as biologists estimate that 70% of coral species are threatened and 20% are already damaged beyond repair. Periods of prolonged warming cause the plant life on the coral to perish, which in turn makes the coral that depended on it bleach into a lifeless shade of white.
I think the major impacts are going to be on land erosion with loss of reefs, loss of species diversity.
The Hawaiian coral are being studied locally by researchers of the Waikiki Aquarium in Honolulu. They found that aside from sustaining entire marine ecosystems, coral reefs buffer islands from the effect of tsunamis.
Firstly, the reefs surround the islands and they act as a natural buffer against storms, against typhoons, etc. Otherwise, large waves would be consistently hitting the islands and causing massive erosion. So the survival of many islands depends on the coral reef.
Coral are actually living animals that are vulnerable to changes in the ocean environment. In addition to warming temperatures, deforestation is causing harmful sediments to deposit, while overfishing also takes its toll on the reefs. Increasingly, biologists find that much of the impact on coral reefs come from far away.
It's very, very important to realize that although we're talking about Hawaii's reefs, the impact of pollution that takes place way, way upstream, far away from the reefs, is also important, because whatever goes into the rivers ends up in the sea. Whatever you pour on your garden in terms of pesticide, etc., that goes into the storm drains, in the sewer, and it ends up in the sea. So it's a worldwide problem.
It's good to know that we can all contribute to protecting the coral reefs by being more eco-conscious in our life. We thank Dr. Rossiter, Mr. Delbeek, and all scientists who are studying the amazing coral reefs, a crucial part of our planet's sustainability. May the precious corals of our Earth be preserved so that their wonders can be appreciated for a long time to come.